5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flat left, 50, turn 6 right of a crest, 6 left, 50. Flat middle of a crest, 80. Keep middle of a jump, 50. 4 right narrow, 80. Keep middle of a jump, 50. 6 left of a jump long, tightens of a crest, jump. Keep right into 5 left long, narrow over bump. Into 6 right, 80. Over long crest into 6 left, tightens past junction, 30. 4 right, narrow over crest. Don't cut 5 left, opens long into 6 left, 30. 4 right long, tightens of a crest, 50. Don't cut 4 left, into 6 right, into 6 left long, 30. 6 right of a crest, opens extra long, into slow, 6 left long of a bump, into 3 right of a crest bump, into 4 left long, into turn 1 right, opens long, tarmac, into 4 left long, into turn 1 right, opens long, tarmac. Don't cut through bales. Keep right of a 30, turn 1 right. Opens of a crest, gravel, 50. 5 left. Into flat right of a crest. Opens long, tightens of a jump. Into 5 left of a crest, tightens very long into 6 right, 50. 4 right, extra long, opens flat of a crest, into 6 left. Into 6 right, into caution, 5 left of a jump, 50. 6 left, very long, tightens of a bump, 50. 4 right long. Into slow, 6 left of a crest, 30, turn 1 left, don't cut. 30, 6 left, 100. 3 right long, tightens, locks outside, opens of a crest, 50. Tight, 6 left of a crest, extra long of a junction, 30. Keep middle of a jump, into 3 left long, tightens, 80. Flat right of a crest, extra long, 30. 3 right long, opens, 80. 5 left of a crest, extra long, caution, tightens 3. Into 4 right long. Into 4 left. Into 4 right, don't cut, 120. Crest, into 5 left, tightens. Into 4 right long of a junction middle. 6 left, extra long, 170. Caution, 5 right long, tightens 4. Slow 50, turn unseen, 1 right. Opens extra long of a crest, 160 over bumps. extra long, tightens turn 5 left, opens 80. Four left at Bale, don't cut. 30, turn unseen, 2 left around Bale, cobbles. Don't cut 3 right, 3 left and 1 right, tightens around Bale, cobbles. 30, 1 right, don't cut 2 left. 40, turn 2 left around Bale, tarmac. 160, over finish. 50 to stop. That felt good, but let's check the times.